Hello everyone, welcome to EasyFlutter.com. So this video we are going to explore various types of button in your Flutter application. So let me open. So these are the example we are going to see today. So we are going to explore the raised button. So we are going to change the background color and the text color, and then we are going to explore the flat button and then outline button. So then we are going to see a icon button. So let me open my code editor. So here we have a sample empty project. So let me zoom into it. So here you can see the output for it. So it's just an empty project. So first we are going to explore the raised button. So in a center, so I'm going to create a child. So child of raised button. To display the raised button, so we have a widget called raised button and on pressed. So in case if you want to do some action when the button is clicked, so we have to write here. So I'm going to create a very simple function. So just we are going to display print. This button is pressed. So once the function is completed, so inside the raise button we have to pass the child. So child, we are going to pass the text. So you can pass image, whatever it is. So right now I'm going to pass the text like click me. So let me save this and see the output. So here you can see we have a button. So when I click this button, so you can see something is printed on our console. So which we have printed here. So this button is pressed, so you can see here. So in case if you want to change the color of this button text and the background color, something like this, so we have a lot of properties inside the raised button. So when you hover this, so here you can see text color, so color of the button, splash color, something like this. So you can explore into it. So right now we are going to change the color and the text color. So color, so we are going to use a red color. So to use the red color, so you have to use colors dot red, and we are going to change the text color. So we have a property called the text color. So also we are going to pass the property of colors. So colors dot white. So let me save this and see the output. So here you can see we have created a raised button with the background color and text color. So next we are going to see a outline button. So we just remove this, and instead of the raised button we are going to use outline button. So the syntax are almost same. So let me save this and see the result. So here you can see this is called outline button. So you can see some border over the button. So this is a raised button. Sorry, this is the outline button. And let's see about the flat button. So flat button. So when I refresh, so here you can see there is no background and there is no border here. So in case if you want to change the color, so here you can change it. Text color is going to be color. So let me save this. So here you can see. So mostly you can use this type of button in when you are having links in your application. Let's say for example, terms and condition, something like edit kind of thing. So that cases you can use these type of buttons. And then we are going to see the icon button. So the icon button syntax is a bit different. So let me edit this icon button. So icon button, it always require a icon. So icon. So now we have to pass the icon here. So to display the icon, so this is the syntax icon of icons dot. So here we have a lot of icons in your Flutter. So I'm going to use the Android button. So icon button, it doesn't require any child because we are passing the icon here. So for this icon itself a child of the icon button. Okay. So To make it clear, so this icon is already a child of icon button, so we don't need a child here. So also you can see the error here, so we can remove it. And to change the icon color, so we have to remove this because we don't have any property called the text color under the icon button, so we can remove it. So now in case if you want to change the icon color, so here you can pass it colors dot green. So let me save this and see what happens. So here you can see we have an Android icon, and when I click this, so here you can see this button is pressed. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are facing any issue, feel free to comment below.